This is How to Pick Your Major from the Center for Student Success, Troy University, Dothan campus. What is a major? Your college major is your specific area of study. The classes you take in college are dependent on your choice in degree and major. Troy of Dothan majors. We offer 39 undergraduate and 41 graduate level degree programs at our Dothan campus. There are countless others available online. Follow the link and find all available degree programs. What should I take into account when I'm choosing my major? What career paths or fields am I interested in? What is my earning potential in my possible career field? What subjects do I enjoy? And how long do I have to finish this degree? What if you have absolutely no idea where to start? Try Focus. Focus is an online assessment that matches your interests, personality, skills, and values to career options and majors offered at Troy University. I've attached the instructions. Feel free to check it out. Undecided majors. If you have no clue what you like or what you want to do, that's okay too. Typically, as long as you have a degree field chosen before you finish your core classes, those are the classes you take in the first 2 years of your program, you won't be far behind. Take this time to take classes that may interest you to see what you like or don't like. Explore your options. What if you love too many to choose just one? If one field of study doesn't quench your intellectual thirst, consider a minor. A minor is similar to a major in that it's an area of academic concentration. The only difference is that a minor does not require as many classes. Ask your advisor about your options for minoring and double majoring. If you have any questions, stop by anytime to the Center for Student Success, Malone 120. See Ms. Rebecca Johnson.